It's a long time I haven't seen you, my baby. It's a long time since I've seen you, my baby. Oh, I've tried and I've tried not to forget you. Every night I goes to sleep, I see you in my dreams. Some says I'm a fool to be so lonely. Some says I'm a fool to be so blue. Oh, I've tried and I've tried not to forget you. Every night I goes to sleep, I see you in my dreams. You know, 2 weeks ago, the girl that I love left me for my best friend. And 1 week later, they plan to get married. They have the nerves to invite me down to wedding, and surely I've got all the nerves in the world to go. The preacher, he looked at the guy and he said, "Do you take that woman to be your lawful wedding wife, to love and to cherish and obey until the day you die?" And he said, "I do." Then he looked at the girl that I love and he asked the question in reverse. "Do you take that man to be your lawful wedding husband, to love and to cherish and obey until the day you die?" And she says, "I do." I couldn't say the word. Not one single solitary word could I say. And as she walked down the aisle, she stood right in front of me. And she says, "Audley, darling, even though you and I are apart, I'll always leave a place here in the bottom of my heart, just for you." Some says I'm a fool to be so lonely. Some says I'm a fool to be so blue. Oh, I've tried, yes, I've tried not to forget you. Every night I goes to sleep,